Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to make liked TikTok videos public. TikTok lets you set your liked videos visible to other users. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your TikTok profile page and click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. Hit Privacy. After that, scroll down until you see the liked videos section and press on it. Choose the Everyone option. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make liked TikTok videos public. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.